Welcome back to the deep dive. Today we're looking at something that on the surface seems pretty mundane. It's the AIA Imaging WM-PTZ12G-W wall mount bracket.
Right, a piece of metal to hold a camera.
Exactly. But our mission here is to look past that white metal and, uncover the financial and logistical story that's kind of hidden in the specs.
It's a great case study.
Yeah.
Because on paper, it's a durable, TAA-compliant bracket. It costs $95, and it's made for a very specific AIDA PTZ camera.
And TAA compliance is a big deal for government contracts.
Oh, absolutely. That alone tells you it's a professional-grade product.
Okay, but here's the nugget that really jumped out at me, the spec that made me think, whoa, what is going on here? Get this. The package weight is 7.155 pounds.
Yeah.
That's a seriously heavy piece of metal and rubber. Why so robust?
Well, that weight speaks directly to the application. You're not just, holding up a camera.
Okay.
You're providing absolute zero-tolerance stability for a very expensive high-magnification PTZ camera. It has to absorb every little vibration.
Ah, so it's built like a tank to prevent any kind of image drift.
Precisely. To guarantee the integrity of the camera's shot over the long term.
Okay, so stability justifies the material cost. But let's talk about the price. It's $95. The black version is also $95. Fine. But their ceiling mounts are only listed at $70. Why is the wall mount so much more expensive? That feels backwards.
And that disparity, that's the key. That's what unlocks the whole financial aha moment here.
Okay, I'm listening.
AIDA implemented a significant cost increase. Effective October 9, 2025, they added a flat 15% tariff on all their products.
A 15% tariff? Wow. Okay, so wait. You're saying that the $95 price we see?
It already includes that tariff. It's baked right in.
Can we just do the math on that really quick? What would the price have been before?
Sure. If you pull that 15% out, the base price would have been somewhere around $82, maybe $83.
So this is really actionable information for anyone listening.
It is. If you're shopping around and you see this part for, say, $85, you know instantly that supplier hasn't updated their catalog yet.
You're looking at old pricing.
Exactly. Outdated pricing.
Got it. So that clears up the price. But the vendor here, HDTV Supply, they also add a lot of non-hardware value to justify that $95.
They absolutely do. We're talking free shipping, free returns, same-day shipping, all of that.
They also guarantee it ships with the latest firmware.
Which is vital. You don't want to deal with firmware mismatches during an install.
No, you don't. But I have to ask this. This is just a metal bracket. Why on earth would I need free lifetime technical support for a piece of metal? Isn't that overkill?
That's a fair question. But the support isn't really for the bracket itself.
Oh.
It's for the integration, the system as a whole. You might have a question about routing the cables through those two management slots, for instance.
I see. So it's about the whole setup process.
Right. Or maybe you run into a weird camera issue after it's mounted. Knowing you have an expert to call for free for the life of the product, that's the real value add.
It turns a simple purchase into more of a partnership. Okay, so for you listening, what this all really means is that the next time you see a small piece of pro equipment, that price tag is a complex mix of things.
It is. It's a mix of extreme durability, like over 7 pounds of it, plus premium vendor support, and of course, global trade policy.
So the provocative thought we want to leave you with is this. Don't just look at the list price.
Exactly. Think about that 15% tariff. Ask yourself, how much of the cost of all the electronics you buy is actually just dedicated to tariffs? And think about how that one decision can ripple through an entire supply chain.